Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a dot charger, and if you need to find the relay for the fuel injector, stay with us. We'll explain where it's located. Now, we'll explain where it's located, how to test the relay, and if you still have problems with the fuel injectors not working or the charger not starting, we'll talk about that as we go. Make sure to stay until the end. We'll cover very helpful information that can save you quite a bit of time and money. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix practically almost anything, guys. Engines, transmissions, we take them completely apart. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. And dot charger, we'll be taking it completely apart. Not to say a big word, but probably we'll have close to 500 free repair videos. If you need to buy any parts, tools, relays, fuses, anything for a good price, quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below, and you can save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So what we have specifically here, this is the 3-point, okay, this is the 3.6 engine, but even if you have a different engine, procedure, guys, is about the same. Right here you can see you have the fuse cover, the fuse lid. In order to open it, you squish on this side, like that, pull up, it comes out. Fuse numbers and relays are listed here, the numbers, and it matches to what we have here. However, now, guys, the fuel injector relay, it's not under fuel injector relay. It's actually a different relay, and we'll talk about that in a second. We'll also talk how to test them. So the relay that you need to check is actually known as ASD relay. This is for ignition and fuel delivery of your Dodge vehicle. We're talking about that relay right here. If you need to see how to test the relay, we'll put a link to a special video in the description of the video below that will teach you how to test relays in just a few minutes, and you will be able to find out if they're good or bad. Another thing, if you guys if you need to buy replacement relays or just to have some spare ones in your glove box, that's a really good idea, by the way. Check out the link as well, and you can get them for a really good price and quick shipping too. Another thing, now, if your Dodge charger still does not start, does not get fuel, we will have a special video that explains why Dodge start cranks but does not start. Check it out. We'll talk about that, what can cause it, and how to diagnose the problem. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.